types of cooking method. One is dry heat cooking method and the second one is moist heat cooking method. When we say moist heat cooking method, it is use water, liquid or steams to transfer heat to food. Common moist heat cooking methods are poaching, simmering, boiling, braising, stewing, blanching, and many more. But for now, I will discuss you what is blanching and what it's all about. Blanching is scalding vegetable in boiling water or steam for a short period time. It is typically followed by quick, thorough cooling in very cold or ice water. Blanching stops enzymes actions which otherwise cause loss of flavor, color, and texture. And this is what I do now. I am performing the moist heat cooking method called blanching. When blanching anything, leafy green vegetable is important to use highest heat possible. Make sure that when you blanch something, add salt on it, because adding salt on it has a reason. First, it helps the green vegetable keep in its color, and also the textures will be still elevated. It's important to keep water at a high boil. After the boiling process, you should bring it back to the bowl as quickly as possible, especially with green vegetable, because there is an enzyme called chlorophyllase, which is responsible for turning greens gray. Once your green vegetable are leafy, that's the consistency that you want, which leafy green is welded, so the leafy green is going to be al dente. Transfer the boiling green leafy vegetable into ice water, which it helps cool down rapidly, preserving the textures that you're pouring it out and also helping set the green color, keeping it from overcooking. And also, we talked about enzyme chlorophyllase. If you don't cool down the green vegetables rapidly, the beautiful green leafy vegetable will turn to army grayish green, which considered not pleasing in the eye. After the cooling process, you should transfer the green leafy vegetable to something that is flat and cover it with a white towel, so that it will dry quickly. When you blanch something, this could be added to sauté, soups, or salads.
Hi everyone, my name is Kimberly Hilberay, especially Ma'am Rafael G. Lascana. I'm presenting a project on the topic of culinary arts. This is a project I've tried to keep important to make a puto cheese, which is the moist heat method. So let's go!
Poaching is a moist heat cooking method that involves gently simmering food in a flavorful liquid. It is a gentle cooking technique and is often used for delicate food such as eggs, fish, poultry, or fruit. The liquid used for poaching can be water, broth, wine, or a combination of these, and it is usually seasoned with herbs, spices, and aromatics to enhance the flavor of the food. The food is typically fully submerged in the liquid and cooked at a low temperature to prevent it from becoming tough or overcooked. Poaching is known for preserving the natural moisture and tenderness of the food while infusing it with the flavors of the liquid for a delicious result. Poaching eggs is important because it preserves the egg's nutritional value and flavor while providing a versatile and elegant cooking option. It involves gently simmering an egg without any added fats or oils, resulting in a tender white and a perfectly runny yolk, making it an excellent choice for dishes like eggs benedict or salads.
The other type of cooking method is dry heat cooking method. When we say dry heat cooking method, it involves cooking a food item in the absence of a liquid. And now we are to perform frying, or to be specific, pan frying. It is a part of dry heat cooking method. We have now ready to cook eggplant, and now we have to prepare the karahay to boil the oil. Since it is pan frying, the oil should not be too much and also not too less. So after it is boiled, or after it hits its peak heat, put the ready to cook eggplant to the heat oil. And if the color is not that brown but medyo brown, flip it side to side so that it will not be burned.
Then, binuksan ko na ang gasol. Tapos, pinainit at nilagyan ng juice na mantika. Nagtitipid kami, guys. Pinatay muna namin uminit, tapos nilagay yung mga chicken neck para sa fried chicken neck. Ayan. Nilagay apat. Bali, guys, for 1 kilo, 100 pesos lang namin nabili yan sa Save More. Kasya naman sila dyan. I-cook na natin after mga 3 to 5 minutes. Kasi binobo.
We have two types of cooking methods: dry heat cooking methods and moist heat cooking methods. Dry heat cooking methods involve cooking food without the use of liquid, such as roasting, baking, grilling, or frying, which relies on hot air or direct contact with heat to cook and create a crispy or caramelized exterior. For now, I will discuss you what is grilling. Grilling is a cooking method that involves direct heat from below, usually using an open flame or hot coals. It is a popular outdoor cooking technique often associated with barbecues and cookouts. Grilling is a versatile method that can be used for a variety of foods, including meats, vegetables, seafood, and even fruit. When grilling, the food is placed on a grate or grill rack that is positioned above the heat source. The heat quickly sears the food, creating a caramelized crust on the outside while retaining moisture inside. Grilling typically involves high heat and shorter cooking times compared to other cooking methods.